So the OpenHybrid project is one of the 5 projects we're going to be showcasing today at this event. OpenHybrid was coordinated by the Manufacturing Technology Centre here at Anstey Park in Coventry. And the OpenHybrid project, we bring together 14 partners across Europe to develop an integrated machining and cladding system. So this is an additive and subtractive system for the repair of high value components. Today the event's been really good. We've brought together industrial partners, academics and also research centres across Europe to discuss and to identify the applications of this new technology.
What I've discovered is that it ain't easy and the devil's in the detail. I found the dissemination really comprehensive. The enthusiasm of the presenters in sharing their information really means it was very much worthwhile to come over.
It's been pretty good to see the work that's been done, to see other people who are looking at the same topic, the same problem, but from a different perspective. I think the biggest takeaway for me is that there's still a lot of work to be done. It's not yet finished, and this is sort of the process that we are ongoing. It's going to be a few more years before we have these processes come online in mainstream. It's only when you interact, when you talk, you can actually get solutions to problems, because by yourself we don't have the domain know-how across the board, so it's really helpful, I'd say, to collaborate.